Hello and welcome back to the channel, my beautiful angels. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and my name is Shantani. This is the part 2 of my previous video where I showed how you can achieve the look of Deepika Padukone from Cannes Film Festival 2019, and I also shared how I made this outfit for this video purpose only. After that video I got several requests to show it in detail, so here it goes. Thank you so much Soumya for requesting. This video is for you, girl. Okay, so if you want to know how, then sit back, relax and keep watching. I bought this green organza fabric from Walmart and I made few thin long pieces like this. Then I started folding it one plate at a time and simply hand sew it. It is definitely time consuming, but the result will be close enough. Then I will gather the fabric closely and then twist a little to give some volume into it. That's how I made this whole garland and attached it with one of my green t-shirts. Just in case you were wondering, this t-shirt is from Old Navy, and yes, I'm not size 0. Yeah. Basically, I just made a huge garland and wear it around my neck. This is just my version for this video purpose only. For the hairband, I took one of those white roses and randomly colored it with this camo pink chalk paint, and I hope I said it right, camo pink. And I already had this peach satin fabric from Joanne and hand sewed it the way it looked in the picture. Basically, I folded the fabric a couple of times and then hand sewed in the middle and the both sides. After that, I cut it out. Try not to cut on the stitches, of course, you know that. I hot glued the rose with the band, just in case you were wondering. I also sewed the edges with a nice green net fabric so that I can tie it around my head. And I had this peach ribbon which I kind of made a bow and attach it with a safety pin. Making the whole outfit is time consuming, and that something is more practical for celebrities and platform like these. But by all means, you can go ahead and make the whole dress and wear it with pride. This is just my version for this video purpose only. I think my favorite part of this entire video was making the outfit and hairband and of course recreating the whole look of gorgeous Deepika Padukone from Cannes Film Festival 2019. She looked like a doll and I couldn't wait to recreate that look. I'm gonna give you all the details of makeup items in the description box below. I have given the links of my Facebook and Instagram accounts in the description box below. You can also follow me there because I post many photos and videos over there which I don't post here in YouTube. So definitely let me know in the comments down below which part surprised you the most, which part did you like the most, which part did you hate the most. Let me know in the comments down below, and please also let me know your favorite actress or actresses and whom should I be next time. If you enjoyed watching this video and you wanna see me to do this often, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.